if you want a better exercise to activate all of the extensor muscles of the body, those are the muscles that pull us into extension or away from the fetal position, you'd be hard pressed to find it. The back bridge is a brilliant exercise for doing this. Also, it develops flexibility in the shoulder at the same time. Let's have a look at how to do it with really good form. Place the hands down so that the fingers are pointing behind you and the elbows are pointing in the same direction. Draw the belly button towards the spine and keep the tongue flat on the roof of the mouth to activate the stabilizing muscles of the neck. Lift the hips as high into the air as possible, looking for a nice straight line from the ankle all the way through to the ear. Pause at the top and then come back down and repeat. If that was way too easy for you, try the Swiss ball lean. That won't be. The positioning is the same, but with your feet on the Swiss ball. The focus then becomes to take your body weight towards the hands, so backwards over the hands. It's tough, tough, tough. Give it a go. Let us know how you get on with this one. If the base exercise was too tough, try the back bridge with bent knees, following the same teaching points as before. Have a go at the back bridge, see if you can work up to doing the Swiss ball lean, and let us know how you get on.